Hello, Southern Nevadans and Las Vegans, Hendersonites, folks that are on NV Energy. I want to do a fairly quick video on the NV Energy Echo Factor thermostat that sets your air conditioning higher in the summer and lower in the winter. And it has an app for it, and it actually is kind of cool. And I don't mind it running my temperature up a degree or two when it's 115 out. I'm going to push that little button to keep the light going. But the problem is it lies. It says it's 75 in my house right now, and I have goosebumps. It's not 75 in here. It doesn't feel like 75. So how do I know it's not 75? Well, let's take a little stroll through my house. Got several other digital thermostats. And here in my den, you can see right there, that's the indoor temperature. 72.4, just turned to 72.5. So 2.5 degrees if we use decimal points difference, 3 degrees if you round down, 2 degrees if you round up. Now let's wander on over here. Here we are. Here is my high-tech weather station. Wife got this for Christmas. Outdoor, indoor. Look down here at this orange number. 72 degrees, 29% humidity. All right, now let's go way unscientific, but back about 300 years. And we've got a Galileo thermometer. And it says, you read the top floating ball, and hopefully you can see that. There's glare. Oh, look at that, 72 degrees. It's 72 degrees in here, it's not 75. All right, well, gee, Dan, you did those thermostats that aren't next to your, or excuse me, thermometers that are not next to your thermostat. Well, I kind of bypassed this on accident to show you something else. Here is my pool thermometer. Oh, that's not going to go up well. The top temperature of those dashes, you can kind of see it. Water temp. It's too far from the pool to read it. In temp. Let me push that button again to get it light up. Inside temperature, 73. Nevada power, 75. 2 degrees difference. All right, well, that's a cheap thermostat from China, or excuse me, thermometer from China. How accurate is it? Well, they're all saying the same thing. All right, here's not a cheap thermometer. This is a digital infrared thermometer. All right, so let's point it at the wall. Right there, you can see the laser come up. There's the laser. I'm measuring that temperature right there. 73.7 degrees. All right, so it's a little higher than what it says, but it's still 2 degrees off. It's varying, it depends, and that's the temperature of the wall. That's not the temperature of the air, and it's not 75. Now, shockingly, it's winter. Well, it's first day of spring. It's March 20th, but it's still cool outside. We can wander back over here. It's actually a fairly nice day. It's kind of cloudy, but my outside temperature is 68. It's not cold outside, but it's still, you don't want to be in a house at 68 degrees. So it's still cooler than normal. As far as Nevada power or NV Energy is concerned, I'm still probably be running heat rather than air conditioning. And shockingly, or not so shockingly, when it's 110 out last summer, it would say my house was at 78 degrees. I would go look at my other thermometers, and guess what? It's about 82. So yeah, I don't think that's an accident. Do I like the thermostat? Am I gonna send it back? No. I kind of like that it was free, because I'm cheap. And I like that I can use my phone to check the inside temperature and the app and all that. And a Nest thermostat is what, a couple $100. So I got a free thermostat, and I can always unplug NV Energy and tell them not to change my temperature anymore. And sometimes I override it, sometimes I don't. Does it save me money? Yeah, maybe a little bit. I have solar, so I don't really have a power bill anyway. But yeah, beware if you get one of these thermostats. They lie. 72.6, 75. It's really 72.6, and the goosebumps on my arms are telling me it's 72.6. It's not 75 in here, guys. Yeah, it lies. Consider it an on-off switch. If you want your house to be warm, run it up to 78, it'll be 75. In the summer, if you want your house to be 78, run it down to 75, it'll be 78. It lies. All right, hope that helps folks making a decision. Hope it didn't make you dizzy wandering all over the house, and have a great day. Bye.